Goose, why are you shivering?
This forest is chilly, Raccoon. The days are shorter now, and it's getting colder every day.
Then we don't have much time to find our friends.
You're right, Raccoon. Let's look for Caterpillar.
Caterpillar lives in this tree, but where are all the leaves?
Many of them are on the ground. Where is Caterpillar? Look, here comes the smallest bird in the forest. Hello, Hummingbird. Have you seen Caterpillar?
Oh yes, Caterpillar's right here. That's not Caterpillar. Caterpillar's long. That thing is not long.
Our friend Caterpillar moves a lot. This thing does not move at all.
But Caterpillar's inside.
That we won't see Caterpillar until spring, when he'll be a butterfly.
Well, I'm glad you will be here for the winter.
Oh no, Raccoon, I can't say. I must fly away to where it is warm. Hummingbird must too.
Oh yes, we must go. Oh no, I am the sad raccoon of the forest. Will you come back?
Yes, we'll be back in the spring. Goodbye, Raccoon.
Goodbye, Goose. Goodbye, Hummingbird. I will see if Bear is out. Hello, Bear.
Hello, Raccoon. Is it spring yet?
No, not yet. It will be winter before it is spring. Why are you sleeping?
I ate and ate all summer. Now I am the fattest than before, and I don't need to eat. I will sleep a long time. I won't budge until spring.
Oh no, all my friends are going away.
Pardon me, but I'm sleepy. Good night, Raccoon.
Good night, Bear. But who will be my friend? Oh, here comes Squirrel.
Hello, Raccoon. Where is everyone?
Goose flew away, and so did Hummingbird. We won't see Caterpillar until spring. And Bear is sleeping for the winter. Are you going away too?
Oh, no. I will stay here all winter. I have a warm nest and lots of food. Will you play with me?
Yes, Squirrel. Let's race to the edge of the forest and back.